Okay, let's create the line drawing. I'll show you how you can create one yourself, but you can use mine too. It's in the class materials and so is a reference photo of the flower. I never bother if my student strays. If drawing isn't the thing you're interested in, then why should you? Creating art is fun, so just do the things that bring you happiness and fun. But if you want to learn, I have an easy way to do it. So, what do you need? I had 2 grids copied in the copy shop on transparent overhead sheets. They are just copies of mathematics paper with squares of 1 cm by 1 cm. Then you need transparent paper. Cheap ones are just fine, as long as the size is okay. And the reference photo, of course. Place one of your grids on top of the reference and use tape to attach them to each other. Take your transparent paper and attach it on top of the other grid. Okay, then you're ready to start the line drawing. You can look for a good and easy starting point. But you can number your squares before when you want to. And now you just need to look where the lines are and to start the drawing. It's not really difficult or complicated. Decide what lines you will need. The more experienced you are, the less lines you will need, I think. But creating too much lines will be confusing too. So, keep on drawing, take some time for it. I created this one in about an hour. Sure, you can do it. And this is the result. Okay, next step is to transfer your line drawing to the sanded paper. An easy step too. Put your transfer paper with the right side down. Try a few strokes and make sure the transfer works. In my experience, the pressure on your pencil has to be quite high for the transfer, so checking is a good thing. Well, and that's it.